It is Friday, my dudes.
Good morning, Gators. I'm Braylee.
And I'm Chase. Welcome back to Gator Nation News.
Today for lunch, we will be having chicken patty on bun, baby carrots, salad, orange wedges, milk choice, and the sandwich choice is a spicy chicken patty.
The football team will be playing tonight at McKinley. The game starts at 7, so make sure to come out and support.
The volleyball team will be competing in the Kenner Classic tonight and tomorrow. The tournament will be at the Pontchartrain Center.
If you're interested in joining the gymnastics team, tryouts will be held Saturday, November 3rd from 1:30 to 3:30 at Excel Gymnastics in Gonzales. Please see Ms. Lambert in room 500 in the Science Building to pick up a tryout form.
Did you know that there is enough DNA in a person's body to stretch from the sun to Pluto and back in 17 times? If you like fun facts like this and science in general, you should join the Science Club. The club meets every Monday from 3 to 4 in room 108.
If you need to make up any schoolwork, Makeup Center is available on Thursdays from 3 to 4:30 in room 101. Make sure to tell your teacher ahead of time if you plan on attending.
As you all know, our student worker kind of bit the dust.
So in hopes of replacing him, Mr. Gilmore interviewed some students to be our new student worker.
And well, just take a look.
Hey Gators, last minute announcement. There's going to be a Halloween party tomorrow that Thespian Society is holding. You do not have to be a part of Thespian Society to attend. It's going to be in the Commons from 7 to 10. There's going to be costume contests, food, drinks, games, a lip sync battle, and prizes. So make sure y'all come out. Now to the interviews.
Okay, so as you know, GNN's previous student worker, Dean, died. He was turned to dust by the cosmic energies of the Mad Titan Thanos. So we're looking for replacements. So this is just a casual interview process to see if you're a right fit for GNN. Would you say that you cry easily when screamed at and humiliated?
Definitely like scream cry.
Scream cry.
When
Okay.
screamed at.
I shed a tear here and there.
Okay.
Nah, I don't think so.
So just trying to see if you're a good fit for GNN. How do you feel about doing the work of 14 people and getting 0 credit or acknowledgement?
Oh, love that.
Okay. Do you think it'd be okay if I gave you a C and everyone else A's?
Oh, sure.
And you won't be getting a credit in broadcasting. It would be like a student worker credit, which as we know, is basically meaningless.
Oh, that's perfectly fine.
Okay.
That.
14 people with
Yeah.
0 acknowledgement or
Yeah,
recognition.
you will not even receive credit in the class.
I just feel like 14 people, like the company of just 14 people feel amazing. So
Okay, good answer. Yeah.
just be able to do the work of 14 people, that just looks good on myself and it looks good as a person that I can handle that type of work.
Question, how do you feel about doing the work of 14 people without any credit or acknowledgement?
Sometimes it be like that.
Yeah. Sometimes it do be like that. So, follow-up question, would you describe yourself as a snitch?
No, never.
Okay,
Snitches
okay.
get stitches.
All right, well, good that you know that. Would you describe yourself as a snitch?
No.
Okay,
Not at
it's
all.
important. Have you ever heard the phrase that snitches get stitches?
I live by that.
Okay, good. Important follow-up question, would you say that you're a snitch?
Of course.
You're a snitch.
Yes,
Okay,
I
so thank you for coming in.
You're welcome.
We'll be in touch.
All right.
Do you miss your brother?
Slightly.
Yeah.
He was a person that could have done stuff for me. So now he can't do those things for me.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So, most people that I've been interviewing for this job actually applied. I noticed that you didn't, and I had to lure you here with a promise of free V-Bucks. I think it's important now that I tell you that was a lie. But I'm going to interview you anyway because you have a unique skill set, being related to Dean. Do you think that your blood has the same alchemical properties as Dean's does?
Yes.
Okay, so like any sort of things that we may have been planning would probably still work with you?
Most likely.
Interesting. Do you burn easily? Let me clarify. I'm not talking about sunburn. I'm talking about coffee.
Like when someone throws coffee on me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Blister immediately.
Okay.
Depends on how much you throw on me.
Okay. And how much would you describe as a medical emergency?
Arm cut off, bleeding everywhere,
Okay.
seconds away from death.
Couple of important questions to see if you're like a good fit for the team. Bo Gremion often just goes into a rage. Do you think you can tackle him to the ground?
If push comes to shove, I could definitely take him down.
Okay, what would your technique be?
Bear claw to the throat, mandible, right up against the jaw, choke slam.
Good answer. I would have also accepted hit with your car. Do you think you could tackle Bo Gremion to the ground if necessary?
Definitely, for sure.
What
He
do you
doesn't
think-
stand a chance.
How would you go for it?
Probably at the knees.
It's a good answer. I've seen him wear a brace.
Go at the knees.
Yeah. Are you capable of tackling Bo Gremion to the ground if he goes into a rage?
I can try.
If Dallas started crying because you brushed his hair wrong, how would you respond?
I'd brush it right.
Good answer. That's good. It might take upwards of 20 minutes.
That's fine.
Okay.
I don't know. You just kind of have to fix it, get him back up, tell him he's beautiful,
Yeah.
give him an ID, and he'll be all set.
Yep. Absolutely. Good answer. Are you scared of the vengeful spirits of previous student workers trying to come back and reclaim their spot in the mortal realm?
Are we referring to Dean?
Well, let's keep it hypothetical for now.
It depends on how the spirits treat me.
Okay. I'm trying to reclaim their place in the mortal realm.
Only if it's Dean. Dean is a intimidating fella.
Sure. Okay. Follow-up question. Can you punch ghosts?
Maybe not Dean. Dean's a little sneaky guy.
Okay. Well, thank you for coming in today.
No problem.
We'll be in touch.
Thanks.
On that same thought process, are you capable of punching ghosts?
Yes.
Do you think your hand would pass right through, or do you think you could, make contact?
I think I could affect the ghost.
Okay. What kind of mind frame do you have to put yourself in for that?
Like, in deep connection with my spirit.
It's true. That is one of the ways of doing it. Okay, well, thank you very much for coming in for the interview. We'll obviously be in touch. Thank you very much. We've been having some issues in the studio. Important job description. Are you capable of punching ghosts?
Yes. I like
Okay.
to think I am.
Because most
Sometimes-
people's hands just...
Yeah, no. It's just, you got to practice. It's something that comes with time.
Okay, well, good. Would you say you're good at manipulating the emotions of society through mass media?
Yes.
Okay, and if you can control the populace through subliminal messaging, what would you do?
What's that?
Thank you for coming and interviewing with Gilmore Nation News. We'll be in touch. Are you good at manipulating the emotions of society through subliminal messaging and mass media?
I'm doing it right now. You just don't know it.
I wonder who Mr. Gilmore is going to pick.
I don't know. I guess we'll just have to wait and find out on Monday.
Anyways, that's all we have for today, Gators.
I'm Braylee.
And I'm Chase. Thanks for watching
Gator Nation News.